So just as a reminder, next week while you're in class, you're going to be taking your check-in. While you're at home, you'll be taking an assessment. Remote only people, if you have been issued a school Chromebook, sorry. If you have been issued a school Chromebook, then you can take the assessment. If you have your own personal device, you will probably not be able to take it. It is not optional. So you can do remote only, you can do whichever one on what day. So one day is going to be your check-in and the other day is going to be your test, but both have to be done Monday and Tuesday next week. So you guys that are sitting in my class, on Monday, you'll take your check-in and then, on Monday, you'll take your test. And then on Tuesday, when you're sitting with me, you'll take your check-in. Okay. All right. So mean, median, mode, again, remember all this can be done on the calculator. So please go ahead and do it on there if you'd like. So remember, we go into stat and edit, and I have a whole bunch of stuff from stats, so I'm gonna clear that out. Put in your values, 26.1, 33.3, 26, 28.3, 33, 16.4, 32, 31.8, 42.8, 42.3, 34.1, 36.1, 33.4, 30.1, 36.9, and 33.5. Go back and check them just to make sure. So once you get those in, to be able to find mean and median on the mode, you just have to do it yourself. Mean and median, you're going to go to Stat, Calc, and 1var Stats. And we found out the median was 32.26. I'm sorry, the mean is 32.26. So that's D. If we were looking for median here, we would just scroll down one and it would give us our median, but we're not looking for that. So be careful. All right, I'm going to do one more with you. I'm going to go to the very bottom and do number 5. So we go to stat and edit. And remember, if you'll go all the way up and hit clear, not delete, hit clear and enter, it will take all those away. So then we're going to put in our values, 7.5, 8.5, 7.5, and I'm just going down the columns. 5, 10, 8, 9, 8, 10, 7, 7.5, 7, 8, 6, 8. I would go back and check them. If you don't get the answer A, B, C, or D, then you probably put something in wrong. So stat, calc, 1var stats, and 7.8 is our mean. Any questions on mean? All right, so I'm gonna flip it over and go to median. I'm gonna do number 2. You're gonna do the same thing, go into stat, edit, and clear that out. Again, clear is down here underneath the down arrow. So clear it out, put your values in, 1, 1, 15, 6, 2, 8, 15, 1, 29, 29. And then the last column, 13, 15, 4, 15, and 1. Stat, calc, whoops, sorry, 1var stats. And then you're looking for median, you just got to go down 1, and your median is 8. And that's it for median. Okay. Let's look at number 3, only because it's bigger numbers, so I'm going to try to help you out a little bit on it. We're going to edit and clear that. We're going to put in our numbers again, no commas or anything like that. So 2870, 2519, 100.7, 4827, 2357, 3232, 64.7, 83, 3825, 3287, 758.8, 78.4, 2162, 2856, 356.7, and 2603. Stat, calc, 1 var stats. And we're looking for median 2438. So just make sure that you're putting them in correctly. Is everybody good? Y'all good? All right. So then remember when you do your mode, we're going to flip back some more. And here's your mode homework. I'm going to look at number 3 again. And you're going to look at which ones repeat the most. And if you guys will look, since it's already multiple choice, those are the numbers that you need to look at. So don't look at 4 or 1. We're only looking at 5, 7, and 3. So 5, 7, and 3. So we don't even need the 6s on there. So here's a 5. How many 5s are there? So there's 6 5s. There are 2 3s, so we know it's not the 3s. And there are only 3 7s. So our mode is going to be 5 because it happens the most. Okay. Same thing on like these really big ones, like on number 7. We're looking at 1490, so I'm going to find a 1490. You guys even see one on there? Is there a 1490 on there? No, so it can't be that one. 1630. There's only one, right? Okay. 1585. So here's a 1585. And here's a 1585. So there's already 2, so we know it's not going to be 1630. And then 1520. So here's a 1520. It's the only one. So which one has the most? That's it. That's all you do. Is everybody good? All right. So I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing and stop recording. That's all you guys are